Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Windows 10 PC setting guys, and today video title is guys how to set default text size in Windows 10 PC. Friends, we want to set guys your default text size guys in your Windows 10 PC. So friends, how to set the default text sizes. As you can see guys, my Windows 10 PC guys text size is too much increased. So friends, I want to set into a default size. So friends, how to set the default text size in Windows 10 PC. Today friends we are going to talk about one by one, and guys step by step guys we will talk about it. First of all guys, how to set the default text size in Windows and PC. Friends, left side you can see left side guys start button guys, we will click here. Friends, you can see settings side icon, so guys click here. Friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, you can see my text size is very much increased, so I want to set into default. Friends, you can see this age of SS setting guys, we will click here. Then friends, you can see guys your text size setting guys, this mouse pointer guys you want to change guys the speed, this color guys mouse pointer guys you want to change this color, so you can change from here. So guys, you will click on display setting. Friends, you can see text sizes guys, default text size guys you can adjust from here. So guys, we will adjust into guys 100 default, and guys we will apply for here, and we will have to wait for a while. Friends, you can see please wait. After that guys, your text size will set into default text sizes. Then guys, you can use your PC with your text size default setting. And friends, do went out guys, related to guys your Windows 10 PC get text setting, your font setting is wallpaper, color setting, window color setting, system setting guys, Bluetooth setting guys, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. And friends, I have uploaded guys about this Windows 10 PC video guys, you can check in my playlist. Friends, you can see text size will set into default text size. Friends, you can see text size will default. So like that we can set the default text size in Windows 10 PC. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.